Thunderclap. A thunderclap is an explosive sound made by thunder, which takes place due to a relatively close proximity of the lightning strike to the person hearing it. Thundercrack. A thundercrack is a sharp crackling sound made by nearby lightning strike, which takes place due to fast expansion of air around the lightning channel, caused by its intense heat. Rolling thunder. A rolling thunder is a long reverberating sound. Such thunder is usually produced during lightning discharge, which is large or far from the observer. Rumbling thunder. A rumbling thunder is a continuous or repetitive low-frequency sound. This kind of thunder can be produced by lightning occurring within big storm clouds or sound waves bouncing between clouds and the earth. Peal of thunder. Peal of thunder means the loud or impressive sound of a single or many pieces of thunder. Unlike an ordinary piece of thunder, which comes in as a bang, peal of thunder comprises many parts of the sound which come a bit late. Distant thunder. This kind of thunder is made by the storm occurring from far away. This type of thunder sounds more like a soft rumble since high-frequency sounds are attenuated fast with distance. Continuous thunder. This is thunder that lasts for a long time continuously. This thunder is made by thunderstorms which have many lightning strikes within a short period. Explosive thunder. Explosive thunder is a very loud and sudden sound of thunder which is like an explosion. This is often accompanied by lightning strikes and an immediate heating and expansion of air. Dry thunder. Dry thunder is not one of the scientific forms of thunder. The name is often referred to whenever there is thunder during a dry thunderstorm, where lightning takes place but very little or none of the rain makes it to the ground. Dry thunderstorms can be dangerous since lightning can spark wildfires. Ground thunder. Ground thunder is not a scientifically recognized form of thunder. The rumble is caused by lightning heating the air, which makes it expand quickly. However, the sound can reverberate off the Earth's surface and make it appear to come from below. Negative lightning thunder. Negative lightning thunder occurs due to the more common form of negative lightning that occurs between the clouds and the ground. This form of thunder can be accompanied by a crack and some rumbling sounds of the sound waves passing through the atmosphere. Supercell thunder. Supercell thunder is thunder created by lightning in a supercell thunderstorm. Given the nature of the supercell thunderstorms with their large cloud structures and constant lightning, the resulting thunder will be loud and repetitive. Positive lightning thunder. Positive lightning thunder is thunder created by a positive lightning strike. A positive lightning strike can carry an electrical charge and be quite long, coming from the main storm cloud for some distance.